Hey, Liam, what'd you think? It's already on his eyes. You see, look. Ain't that bad? Look. 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 Look down here.
He wants a spoon.
I was going to let him play with it a minute to kind of get used to it. Oh, he found it. Oh, you just scared him, Lila. Don't squeal. Here, baby. Lila, it's okay.
He's tasting it.
Oh, I see that spitting out. Swallow it. If you don't like it, Mom, well. He's the third one in it.
Aww.
There you go, buddy.
Come on, swallow it. You can. Swallow. Eat it. Eat it. Don't spit it out.
I'm shaking the camera, Mom.
No spitting it out. He don't
I
know.
don't know if he likes it or
He
not.
just is. He never eaten anything before. This is the first time eating something.
He ate it.
Yeah, he did.
Is he good?
You like it?
You can stop
boy.
recording, baby.